Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download any music of your choice on your mobile device. All right, so without more ado, let's get started. So guys, open up your browser. For me, I'm using a Chrome browser. So open it up, and on the search bar you're going to search for MP3 Juice, right? MP3 Juice, and you're going to tap on go. All right, so you select the first MP3 Juice. All right, as you can see, that's it over here, right? So here you're going to search your favorite music. So I'm going to search for, let me search for Dax, To Be a Man. Okay, To Be a Man song, right? I just searched for it. So as you can see, it's going to load it up. It's loading, so just wait a bit. All right, you have Dax To Be a Man. Let me block this. Dax To Be a Man official music video. All right, we have this one, the remix. We have other ones over here. As you can see, there are many of them. So you can either play it, right? You can tap on play to play it. You can download the MP3 or MP4. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on MP3. If I want to download it as audio, let me tap on MP3. As you can see, it says download now and play now. All right, so I'm gonna select the format I want to download. Let me select the highest quality over here. This is the first one, 320 kbps. All right, I'm gonna tap on it. I don't know where it's taking me to. All right, these are some ads, so I'm just going to go back. So you can see format 320 kbps. That is completed, and just tap on download. All right, let's wait. As you can see, it's downloading. That's it over there. So when it's done downloading, you're gonna see it, and that's how to simply download any music of your choice on your Android device or your iPhone. All right, so if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So I hope I see you in the next video. Peace out.